أهلا ومرحبا. نزهة معكم. In this video we are going to continue to learn some more Arabic letters. جاهزين؟ يلا. The first one here looks like a fish. The shape of it is like a fish with a tail. This letter has an equivalent, which is S, and we are going to agree on writing it as capital S, and the reason for that is because we already used small s for the letter seen in the previous video. The name of this letter is Saad. Saad. Repeat after me. Saad. Saad. And the sound of it in MSA is S, but pronounced in the back of the mouth. So it's so, so, so. Repeat after me. So, so. That's right. As an example, I picked the word sab, sab, and sab means to pour, like to pour water. The next letter has the same shape as the Saad, but it has one dot above. This one also has an equivalent, but not 100%. However, we're gonna agree on writing it as capital D. The name of this letter is Dad. Repeat after me. Dad. Dad. And the sound of it is do, do. So it's like a D, but pronounced in the back of the mouth. Do, do. As an example, I picked the word eggs, which is in Arabic bayd, 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 bayd. The next letter has similar shape, but it does not have the tail, but it has a line on top here. This letter here, we are going to represent it as a big T, and the name of it is Ta. Ta. When it comes to this sound, it's like a T, but in the back of the mouth. So let's try it. Ta. 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 And as an example, I took the word to cook, or he cooked, which is طبخ. Repeat after me. طبخ. 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 And like I said, طبخ means to cook or he cooked. In Arabic, the infinitive is exactly the same as he in the past. So طبخ means to cook or he cooked. The next one here has the same shape as the previous one, as the ta, but it has one dot above. And we are going to represent it as capital T and capital H, because we already used small t, small h for th as in 3, th as in 3, and then capital T as small h for the letter dhal, as in that. Now the name of this letter is dha, dha. Repeat after me. Dha. And the pronunciation is like a th, like dhal, but in the back of the mouth. So it's like when you pronounce that, but instead of pronouncing the vowel e, you pronounce it o. So it's that, that's the normal one, and then that, that. Does not exist in English, just so you understand the difference between the dhal and dhad. As an example, I picked the word ظهر, ظهر, meaning to appear, or yes, he appeared, because ظهر is the infinitive and at the same time he in the past, he appeared. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I will see you in the next video to talk more about these letters. مع السلامة.